Hello all children, in this video I am going to discuss the past tense and we were discussing about the past perfect continuous tense. पहले आप समझ लीजिए कि what is past perfect continuous tense. कोई काम जो पास्ट में बीते समय में कुछ देर पहले शुरू हुआ था और उस समय में वो चल रहा था बीते हुए समय में. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल she had been reading a book for an hour. वो 1 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रही थी. ठीक है, तो जैसे एट द एंड इफ इट कम जैसे रहा था, रही थी. ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल इन पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. वो काम जो बीते समय में ही चालू हुआ था और उस समय पे वो चल रहा था, जारी था. Okay, in the past. So that is your past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and the format is subject. Subject can be first person, second person, third person, or can be singular or plural. लेकिन सबके साथ ही we use had. Okay, subject plus had plus been. Okay. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. जैसे ईट फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, उसमें हमको क्या जोड़ना है? ing. तो वो कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में हो जाता है. ओके, तो ईट में ing जोड़ दिया तो बन गया ईटिंग. ओके, एंड देन शी हैड बीन ईटिंग. यू हैव टू मेंशन द टाइम, जैसे फॉर एन आवर. I'm just giving you an example, or since 2 years. Okay, from last 2 years, like that. She had been living here since 2010. Okay, so in this we have to mention any work, any कोई भी क्रिया जो आपका पास्ट में चालू था, शुरू हुआ था और पास्ट में ही जारी था. ओके, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ पास्ट परफेक्ट. क्योंकि जारी था, दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉन्टिन्यूस. ओके, सो इट इज़ पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस एंड द फॉरवर्ड विल बी सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब्स. वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी जोड़ने पर वी get the continuous form of the word, and we have to mention the time, just like for an hour. Okay, since 2020, like this. So I'm giving you some example here, like she had been reading a book for an hour. वो 1 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रही थी. ओके, सिमिलरली आई हैड बीन, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, वेदर इट इज सिंगुलर, प्लूरल, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, वी हैव टू यूज हैड ओनली. ओके, आई हैड बीन रीडिंग अ बुक फॉर एन आवर. ओके, likewise you can use you had been reading, है ना, they had been reading. whether it is plural also we have to use had. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you that how we can form the negative and the interrogative form of past perfect continuous tense. Okay, children, the negative form of the past perfect continuous tense, we have to simply place not. How? Like subject plus had. After had we have to put not. Not means negation, नकारात्मक जिसे आप कहते हैं. अब नकारात्मक वाक्य अगर पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में बनाना चाहते हैं, what we are going to do, we are going to put subject plus had plus not. After had we have to put not, then been, then verbs first form plus ing plus, like you can point of time you can add, or period of time you can add, like since morning, or since 1970, yeah, for an hour, like that. This. Okay, so here I'm giving you an example, like she had not been reading. Not been reading. See, read is the first form of the verb. ing I have added, so it becomes the continuous form. So she had not been reading the book for an hour. वो 1 घंटे से किताब नहीं पढ़ रही थी. Okay? So she had not been reading the book for an hour. Similarly, you had not been reading the book for an hour. तुम 1 घंटे से किताब नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. Okay, children? I will tell you how we can form the interrogative form of the past perfect continuous tense. इसके लिए जो आपका helping verb है had will come first. Okay? Had, then subject, then being. Okay? Then verbs first form. Then ing. Then if you are going to add ing, it becomes the continuous form of the verb plus the point of time or period of time you can mention. Point or period of time you can mention. For example, had she been reading the book for an hour, and you have to put question mark. Okay? Had she been reading the book for an hour? Question mark you need to place in order to show that this is the interrogative form. So had she been reading the book for an hour? क्या वो 1 घंटे से या क्या वो पिछले 1 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रही थी? ओके, उसी प्रकार से had I been reading the book for an hour? क्या मैं 1 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रही थी? So in this way we have to form the interrogative structure of the past perfect continuous tense. So again, past perfect continuous tense is used for the work or that the thing that has been started some time ago in the past only, and it was continuing in that point of time or period of time. Okay, children, hope you got this explanation of the past perfect continuous tense, and if you are fine with this, then kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, and kindly refer my channel and videos to more and more people and ask them to subscribe as well. Thank you.